In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload documents on DocuSign. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the Templates tab. This is where we'll be creating a brand new template. Look towards the top left corner of your screen and click on Create Template. This is your starting point for organizing and managing your digital documents efficiently. Once you're in the template creation space, it's time to give your template a name. This step might seem minor, but it's crucial for keeping your documents organized, especially if you're managing multiple templates. Next, we move on to uploading your document. You have two ways to do this. You can either drag your document directly into the template space, or click on the Upload button. If you opt for the latter, you'll select Desktop to browse and pick your document from your computer. Find the document you want to work with, select it, and like magic, there it is, ready for the next steps. With your document now uploaded, it's time to move on to adding the recipients and required signees. This is where you'll specify who needs to interact with this document. It's important to be thorough and ensure you've included everyone who needs to receive a copy or has a section to complete. Once you've added all necessary parties, click the Next button to proceed to the field editor. Now, you're in the field editor, which is a crucial part of the process. Here, you'll be tasked with adding input fields to your document. Take your time with this step to ensure accuracy. Depending on what kind of document you uploaded, you'll need to add the appropriate text fields, number fields, checkboxes, and any other specific field types. A critical inclusion is the signature field. Don't forget that one, as it's usually the most important field on documents requiring signing. Once you've completed all your fields, giving them a quick review might be helpful to ensure everything is as it should be. Then, find the Save and Close option at the bottom right of your screen and click it. And there you have it. Your new template is ready to use and send to real recipients. DocuSign makes it incredibly simple to manage and share documents, ensuring everyone can complete their sections efficiently and securely. Now that your template is ready, you can use it whenever you need to streamline the document signing process. That's all there is to it. Uploading documents and creating templates in DocuSign is a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a try and streamline your document management with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy DocuSigning.